morning, guys. It's Friday. No, Saturday. It's a Saturday. Been home from Toronto for almost a week now. And it is plus 30 out today. It's gorgeous. And Dillon's picking me up. We are going to the farmer's market and then we're going to the beach today. This is his sick bed. Jamming out in the car. What's up? Cool. Saskatoon farmer's market. What I really want is all the treats. Saskatoon farmer's market. First time there for me. There's a lot of good stuff, mostly lots of like treats and stuff, so we just walked on by because it all looks super disgusting. Just kidding. So we're gonna go head to the gym now and I'm gonna crush up some shoulders. What are you doing?
Chest
For Dillon. Do a bit of cardio and then we're gonna head off to find a beach within the city, I think, so that we don't have to drive like 40 minutes out of the city. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then Dillon has a hot date tonight.
Where do we put me on my shit on black?
Putting you on black. Bye.
And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be known that she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it, Whoa, I can't feel my face when I'm with you, yeah, but I love it, and I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be there. She'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Girl, I love it, baby. I can't feel my face when I'm with you, girl. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. I can't feel my no, I can't feel it. And the room's still spinning. So tell me that you got me. so
even have a belly.
That's, I forgot my sunglasses.
Same. Bill and I found Bare Ass Beach.
There's
It's a
actually
naked
naked
beach.
people here.
Should I take my top off? JK. Dillon. He's like,
This goes quiet. No.
Don't do it. Please keep it on.
That's amazing.
Dying. We were asking ourselves, I feel like this is gonna fall on my face. We were asking if we hurt each other's dick game or vagina game. Vagine. That's what my friend calls it.
You know.
Okay, that one can go away.
Yeah,
So
like I'm gonna have fucking head. Hey!
hey! Okay, so we're just gonna suntan. So it is 8:30 p.m. now. Just finished up my second round of cardio, 20 minutes. So I did a total of 40 minutes today. I have eaten about 1,200-ish calories today, which I am actually pretty satisfied on today, as I pretty much just laid around on the beach all day. Today. My NEAT was not up as much as it has been lately, and yesterday I ate a little bit more than I normally do. I had about closer to 3,000 calories yesterday, as I hit about 2,000, and then I decided to eat 2 Kaka's cookies and some ice cream. Balance, right? I decided to eat 3,000 calories the day before I go to the beach. I felt so bloated today. I was not even hungry when I woke up, so I decided to fast most of the day, and I didn't eat my first meal until I got home from the beach about 5 p.m. and I still wasn't even like that hungry. So when I got home, I made myself about 30 grams of gluten-free oats with some ghee butter and some fruit, and then I made an omelet with some butternut squash, and then I just kind of have been snacking on a few little things here and there. So I've gotten about, so I think it's only about 1,000 calories in today. Probably have one more meal type thing, try to bring my calories up to about like 1,500 today. Nothing crazy. So like nothing crazy, so that it can kind of make up balance out yesterday, and I'm not hungry, so I'm not gonna force it. That's what's been super nice about this little break, is that I've been pretty much just intuitively eating. Some days I've eaten like 1,200 calories, other days I clearly have eaten around 2,500 to 3,000 calories if I've had a few treats here and there. My body's feeling pretty good. I was feeling extra fluffy today than I have been lately. I noticed actually since I've been home from Toronto, I've been eating a little bit more than when I was in Toronto, and I think it's partially boredom, so I'm trying to find that, you know, if I'm actually hungry or not. Had check-ins with Amber yesterday, and we decided that I'm going to restart my prep this next weekend. So one more week of this little off-season break, whatever you want to call it. Since my calories have been up around like 2,000 calories, doing like 20 to 40 minutes cardio a day, depends on the day, we're going to be sitting in a better spot to start this little prep. I didn't think I was getting any color today, and I think that I burnt just a little bit. I think it'll turn into a tan. I just washed my face, so it's nice and fresh. What else was it? Oh yeah, last night, the reason why I keep yawning, last night I didn't get to bed till like almost 3 a.m. I could not sleep for the life of me, and I got up around like 7:30 today, so I'm pretty tired. You can see it. Laying out in the sun kind of makes you tired too. So since it's 8:30 now, I did a bunch of check-ins with clients this morning, so I got that out of the way before the beach and everything. And then I'm finishing up editing a YouTube video right now. Gonna do a little bit of programming, and then I'm gonna hit the old hay, as I would like to be up somewhat early tomorrow to get a head start on check-ins tomorrow. So thank you guys for coming along today. A little bit different than a normal day in my life, so I kind of want to show you guys we're doing some different things, trying to enjoy this little break of mine, and I'm going to do a full day of eating for you guys before I restart prep, just to show you, you know, how you can kind of intuitively eat throughout the day. So please like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions or would like to see anything specific from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.